Shrimp.
How old are you?
Shrimp.
How old are you going to be in a week?
4.
All right. Okay, go ahead and go in and swim. Show Grandma and Grandpa how you can swim. All by yourself. Very nice. Did you go to the deep end all by yourself?
Yeah.
It's because you're a good swimmer, isn't it?
And I'm going to the little stairs in the deep end.
You are? All by yourself?
Yeah.
Do you want me to go with you?
Yeah.
All right.
And we can swim in the deep end.
Well, I gotta hold my phone so I can video you swimming all by yourself. Where are you going?
The other room.
You're going. I thought you were going for the stairs.
I'm going to swim the other room now.
Oh, okay.
Grandma and Grandpa watching me?
Well, they will when I show them the video. They're going to be so proud of you for swimming. All by yourself. Very good. And you're not even panicking?
Look. 2 birds.
Okay. Should we swim back?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me how to swim. Show me what to do. Is this your first day doing this all by yourself?
Mm-hmm. And I'm going to do a lot of things.
You're going to do a lot of days? Oh. Okay. How are you doing?
And I stop.
Mm-hmm.
That makes me float.
Uh-huh. That does make you float. How you doing?
Good.
You gonna swim for the stairs?
To that little stairs
No, to the big stairs here.
and come back in.
Mm-hmm. You're doing really good.
And I watch out for bugs.
You did watch out for bugs.
And there's a leaf.
Are you gonna go up the stairs?
No.
No? You don't wanna? You just wanna keep swimming?
Want to go up the stairs again? Like I want to do.
Very good.
Why is it hot?
Because the sun's out.
Because we have to swim
Mm-hmm.
for the day. And I can swim at night.
Mm-hmm. Ta-da!
I'm done.
Oh, you're done? Are you gonna go swimming? Okay. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say hi. Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. Where are they?
They're in Iowa, remember?
Can I see them on the phone?
No.
Are they not on the phone?
No. I'm videoing you so that they can see you swimming all by yourself. What a big girl you are.
I'm going to
Are you gonna blow a kiss? Alright. I'm gonna turn this off now. Okay?